Inspectle Food is a mobile app available on Google Play and App Store, designed to streamline your inspection process. After you log in, the camera view opens up immediately, enabling you to quickly snap a photo of an issue and then just choosing between three variables, which are the category, the classification, and the destination of this task, which is the department of responsible people. After entering a short description, you can choose to save this nonconformity or maybe add another photo of the same issue just to be more precise. After the nonconformity is saved, now the camera view is back up and you can decide to continue inspecting. You can also, as you can see on the upper part of your phone screen, navigate through areas and sub-areas of your facility by very easily swiping left or right. There are also additional functionalities of the mobile app, as for example adding photos of the nonconformities directly from your phone gallery, or there's an option of choosing to inspect by backing yourself up with a dedicated checklist that are strictly interlinked with the areas and sub-areas that you're currently in. Inspectle Food is also a web platform. So as you can see now, we have the very nonconformity that I have just registered by my mobile app. At the very first glance, within the tasks, we have the brief overview of the information. You can also browse through photos if there were multiple. And if you go to the very details of the nonconformity, this is where magic happens. So if I am a responsible person to clean this power socket, I will be most likely obligated to fill out those three fields, which is correction, root cause, and corrective action. As you can see on the very right, we have this violet light bulb. So I will now click on it. It represents our AI module. So our AI module is now analyzing the very photo that we see, and just after a couple to few seconds we have a suggestion, a part of a immediate transfer of the photos from the phone to the platform. We also help you to improve the process as far as our clients inform us and give us feedback. This also very much quickens creation of the report and working on those nonconformities on the web platform. If you set the status as done, you have the possibility of uploading the confirmation image. You can also copy a link to this very task, or you can, what you see now is a PDF from my hard drive. So just clicking once, I have it documented on my computer. Of course, the tasks can be filtered out by everything you can think of. It is also possible to download the PDF with all of the tasks. So as you can see, I just clicked and now I have a PDF with accumulated tasks with photos and a brief information overview. A part of task management, which are also backed up with email notifications. So for instance, whenever you delegate the nonconformity to different responsible people, they get notified by email. We also do have a dedicated periodic report. I think this is the most crucial part. So let me just quickly choose my preferred time to display on the report. So let's take June 2023. I just click once, shorter than a blink of an eye. I have a perfect overview of inspections. In June 2023, I conducted 11 inspections. The exact date, time, and how long it lasted, up to 1 minute, how many nonconformities were registered. If I check the show inspections box off, it disappears from the report. So as you can see, the report is very dynamic, very accessible and easy to move through. I have the overview of areas and sub-areas. I have the hygiene index goal, can be separate for every department that you have within your structure. Let's say the production department's goal is 80%, and if they are above that, it's displayed on the color green, and if a department is below that, it's displayed on the color red. We have a overview of precise nonconformity details. So as you can see, we have the category, description, type, correction, deadline, responsible people. The reference number of every nonconformity is always a hyperlink. So as you can see directly from the report, I can click over here to the reference number and I am being suddenly transferred to the details of the nonconformity, which I can freely edit and manage. The platform was designed to quickly jump through nonconformities and reports and to cut off the necessity of you browsing through folders, through Excel tabs, or through paper sheets if you still use those. I am also able to download it. So I just click download, boom, less than 1 second. Now you can see the PDF on my hard drive. Let me also quickly show you the homepage, which is this kind of a dashboard in which you have the overview of the whole facility. You can view charts on closed, pending and over deadline non-conformities, and they are being displayed both by weeks and by months. It's interactive, so if you click, the charts is changing, as you can see. Every employee has his own closing rate, which can, so to speak, maybe motivate him. We invite you to contact us. The implementation is very easy. We do not require any kind of data integration. Basically, all you need to do with Inspectle Food is download the app from App Store or Google Play. We set up the accounts. We will be very happy to meet and show you more details on the platform. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.